You love programs, you love software. That's why you need Windows XP Colossus Edition 2 Reloaded. Welcome to another edition of Crusty Windows Bootlegs. We've got some more, and I'm going to load up Windows XP Ganja Edition. This is another, basically just a bunch of Windows bootlegs. Simple as that. A lot are based on Windows XP. There's a resource called Crusty Windows Wiki page. You know, you can go there and you can learn more about crusty Windowses. Yeah, we got Weed, Half-Life Uplink, Scrot. Well, let me find out what the hell this is first. I don't know why I chose this one first. I did my best research to look into this. I can't tell if it's ironic or not. It includes pretty much all the games I was going to add to the other OSs if they worked out. There's not really a lot going on here in terms of theming, except for Sliff Don't Kill. But we got Rasta Style. Pretty much it. We've got one theme. I can't read this. I don't know. What language is this? Polish? Then we can play Half-Life Uplink and then order Half-Life.
Welcome to the HEV Mark IV protective system for use in hazardous...
I wonder what this is going to run like. It's got head tilts. There was actually a remake of this in Black Mesa, and people have done a lot with Uplink over the years, but my first exposure to Half-Life was seeing the tram sequence. The tram sequence, I saw at a friend's house, and then I downloaded this, and we don't have audio anymore. We can order Half-Life. Oh, wow. Is this what the website looked like in 1999? A masterpiece of epic proportions, the Saving Private Ryan of first-person shooters. I think I kind of remember this. Yeah, I remember this. Uh-oh. Arrow keys. So, remember this as I may, I don't think I've ever played it. I have the horn. This is the Saving Private Ryan of racing games. Also, apparently I played a mod pack, a Vinesauce mod pack for this. Gutterball 3D. I could use a little bowling in my life right about now. Skunk Studios. Jupiter Ball. Why are they? No, you shouldn't laugh. Neptune Cosmic. Oh, you can control the ball.
You almost got out of pin.
All right, okay.
Wacky. This doesn't...
Bada boom.
Oh my god. This doesn't seem like that hard of a game, because you can just control where the ball goes. Someone said, okay, get a strike. Alright, never mind. You're right. No. Someone said they played the fuck out of this on high school computers. I've never heard of this game.
Nice pickup.
Of course, here I am playing it on the Windows XP Ganja edition. So, Elite Force was recommended to me a lot as something I should stream. And I think Elite Force 2 was even better.
Captain Catherine Janeway. Commander Chakotay.
Drum plays lightly in the background.
Lieutenant Commander Tuvok. Commander Chakotay.
I want to talk about a character they did so little with.
Lieutenant Belloc.
At least Tuvok had
Commander
Tuvix.
Tuvok.
Jeez.
Ensign Tom Paris.
It's another wet blanket of a character.
Ensign Harry Kim.
Wet blanket number 2.
Emergency medical hologram.
Best character.
7 of 9.
Second best character.
Neelix.
Living Catman, get this guy off the ship immediately. And Janeway is fine. Inconsistent, but fine. That's my opinions. Now, I think this game was made using the Quake 3 engine. And they start you off killing Borg and shit. I kind of feel like I would have liked this better if it was a Deep Space Nine game, just because I like Deep Space Nine so much more than Voyager. Listen, I don't mean to be a Voyager hater, because it is like my third favorite Star Trek. I like it. It's good. Uh-oh, they've adapted to my, my gun. They've adapted to that now. Oh, it's over. This is where we need Worf with, like, a sword. If Worf was here with a sword, a batleth, he would rip through these fucking orgses. This weapon is called the... I can slice through a board with ease, like butter. Alright, well that was the Windows XP Ganja Edition experience. Windows 7 Angry Birds Edition? Apparently, chat members recommended this, God knows why. Could not install VMware tools properly, so expect some weirdness. No GPU drivers could be installed either, so expect heavy lag. No games included because it's that bad. Released in 2012 from India. Well, there it is. It really is an Angry Bird. This is... I've played this, right? The Sonic game? I have played this. This isn't exactly 2012 gaming, but I believe this is the Doom engine. Oh god, it's Crusty. It's like GZ Doom or something. And I have played this, yeah. This is really cool. What it's doing on here, I have no idea. You want to turn on sticky keys? No. I want to actually, like, see what this, Angry Birds edition is all about. Angry Birds. Yeah, there's more Angry Birds. That's, no screensaver. That's the thing about later versions of Windows, is you don't get the screensavers. I want the screensavers. Those things, they speak to me, chat. When I would go to Staples as a kid, I would look at the computer screensavers and just stare at them in awe. And that was enough to sell a PC. Unattended soft? Maybe we don't want to click on that. I'm assuming this is just what this comes loaded with. Okay. Yeah, I'm trying to figure out why this would be, like, why is chat recommending this, other than you get Angry Bird image. Photoshop encountered a problem with the display driver. Well, that was quick. I'll show you some cool stuff that I can do. You know, as an artist, someone that has obviously studied the craft of Photoshop for many a long year. Oh god, that is wretched. Oh, the Angry Bird, please. Amazing. I've learned so much already. Ruined. Saved, maybe. See, it's a scene of nature and grass and stuff like that. That's really what it's all about, chat. It's about family. it's about nature. It's okay, I can fix this with one more layer, chat. Just one more layer, trust me. We're doing, like, modern art. It's very cool if I just... Yeah, there we go. Now it's kind of... One more layer. One more layer. Yeah, not really a whole lot else to see here. Windows Mega 1.0, made in 2014, 1 month before Microsoft stopped supporting Windows XP, made in Cairo and comes with 3 different OSs, which is really just 3 different skins. Messi. There he is. All right. Now we're good. Crystal, Mega, and Mac. I went with Crystal. None of the images for the OSs are actually all incorrect. The Mac one is literally just a picture from a Mac. Includes Power Toy and Gang Garrison. I think I remember Gang Garrison. Yeah, that was included in the last one. That's a pretty common one. Was this in the previous video I did of this? The previous stream? Then it just gets cut off. Oh boy. This really is some... Oh god. Someone wanted to know if you could look at the Windows Media Player animations. Well, this is not closable. Let's start with that. Not a valid operation? This version of Windows barely fucking works. I'm pretty sure I played this. Yeah, I played this back in the day. This version is a bit messied up. To be expected. There's no one else here. There's no bots, nothing. Just kind of sort of playing for no reason. Oh, you can play as Quote and Curly. There you go. The 10th class chat. It was always Quote from Cave Story. I'm almost afraid to search on these OSs. Spent many a day looking at this visualizer. Super Mario. Well, this wasn't in the document. What do you mean Super Mario is here? Super Flash Mario Bros. Was this included?
Here we go.
I think this was included in the OS. It's no longer playable after making it full screen. Pokemon Breakdown? Chat, this isn't official, is it? Oh no, Chew. Looks like you broke your blocks in the wrong order. And now you have to come to terms with the fact that one block will be left behind. You failed, Chew. You are not a Pokemon master. So wake the fuck up. Chumarai. All these games seem to be bonus games that were not in the list. They're Jumping Jelly Beans, Rainbow Monkey Rundown. It's amazing that every time I play a game on these crusty window bootleg segments, I can look over at chat and someone is in all caps like, I played this! I remember this! Vinny, that game was my child. Flash Strike. I remember this. I actually do remember this. Actually, none of the keyboard buttons work, so never mind that. Jumping Jelly Beans. This one looks really good. My childhood! Bentley, what is this? How do you know my childhood? This looks really great, though. Visually, this is the best looking game, easily. Shit is just like... I don't know what to kill here. Maybe Explorer? No, it wasn't Explorer. Imagine getting this version of Windows and just thinking this is what Windows is for everybody. Kill Run DLL, one of my favorite musical acts. Oh, there you go, chat. You saved the thing, I guess. Windows Mega, and then it's just this dog. I'm so sorry, doggy. What does that say about free skins? Created by, edited by Mahmood. Click here to download free skins. I don't know. I don't want to go there. I will do Windows 7 Genius 2 Edition 2010. This one apparently has a bunch of Mega Man characters replacing Windows files. I don't know why or what, but became popular because of an install screen that reads the next generation of technology. It pretends to be Windows 7, but it's actually just Windows XP. Already off to a great start. You know, while this is attempting to load, here's the install video so you can see some installation images. Windows 12. This is what we're doing now, Windows 7 Genius Edition. Wait. Was that? Yes, it was. That's an alien bong. So we get this. Oh, we got it. We got it. Okay. What is Narbacular Drop? Game that was made by the Portal devs before they were hired by Valve. Everything goes through. Oh, here we go. Okay. Oh, I see. Scott Bacular Drop. You can shoot portals through portals in this game? Oh, yes you can. That's so cool. Oh, well hang on a minute, chat. Yahoo Messenger is loading. So there's some issues that were had setting this up because Yuski forgot it was Windows XP. And not Windows 7. I'm not sure if there's anything else like to check out here. There's rain meter. There's this AIMP. I guess it's like a Winamp type thing. Genius programs. Stop. It's just like bloatware. There's just like so much bloat. Windows blinds configuration. Paint. Create Mega Man. Mega Man is a six-pack, right? I don't see why he wouldn't. He's very strong. Still don't know what rain meter is. I've loaded so many instances of rain meter that it's made the menu opaque. Just like a tiny slideshow in the corner of your screen for no reason. Windows 12 Lite. Let's do Windows 12 Lite. So it's a legit bootleg. This isn't even a Windows bootleg, it's a Linux one. More or less a stock version of Linux Lite, but one thing of note is that this was actually sold on DVD, which is very unusual for Linux distros since they're all about freedom. The image on the disk is not of the OS. This is Linux, can't run Windows programs without Wine or Proton. Program Manager is built into most Linux distros. They're taking credit for something they didn't do. Ideal for gamers is very funny because NVIDIA drivers and for Linux suck. Welcome to Windows 12 Lite. Chat post Vine bad PC. There's Sonic Robo Blast again. Super Tux Cart for Linux. Among Us? Really? This is connected? Wow. There's a lot of fucking characters. Oh, this is nuts. There we go. I wonder if there's anything else. I used Linux for a little while, but not for too long. Windows 12. Get the fuck out of here. Screensavers, perhaps? Yeah, we got something here. Oops. Chat, I think I've made a mistake because I don't know how to turn this back. It's like not giving... Oh god. Oh no, oh no. There... Oh boy. No, almost. Got it. We're good. You buy Windows 12. You're excited because you think it's a new version of Windows. You're ecstatic that you get to play all the games you've ever wanted to. You take the disc home, and then you see that it is in fact Linux. Just for the record, this is what this looks like. No upgrading whenever you want to work. No upgrades that fail, so you cannot upgrade anymore, forcing you to buy more Windows 10. No virus or ransomware. Windows 12 is immune from these nasties. You can run alongside Windows 10 or 7 and copy edit your files over. More than 3 times faster than Windows 10, boots in about 15 seconds. Menu has a suite of the best programs, and you can add any of 80,000 programs that are in the software manager. Ideal for gamers, with Steam in the menu and NVIDIA drivers. No license, no activation key, you own it. You can put it on as many machines as you want. Your data is no longer taken by Microsoft. No adverts or sharing with Microsoft. It has a great help forum. And then it says Linux right up there, so you're not going to be, like, it's not going to last for very long. Like, you're probably going to eventually figure it out. Vin, no joke, the guy behind this Windows 12 thing said that people criticizing them for selling a version of Linux a bunch of Donald Ducks. The resolution here is also very small on the desktop. Windows XP Colossus Edition 2 Reloaded. Oh, Colossus, like the fucking Marvel character. Recommended by a couple of chat users, was popular in Latin countries, released 2008, made in Argentina. Oh god. You see what's happening on the screen? There was a lot of nude model wallpaper, which I had taken the liberty of removing. They were what you'd expect. Fast, fancy sports car and nude lady on top. Basically think the most generic thing an early 2000s teenager could have on their background, and you've got a good idea. Includes a lot of software, including a lot of cracked software. Took a very long time to install, especially when considering Windows XP can only support up to 4 gigs of RAM. Included a Windows 3.1 VM for that bit of running a VM in a VM. It's the aquarium again. This one looks better now. Someone said, please, for the love of God, check out the Hitman background. Some of these don't work, but you do get Sub-Zero and Scorpion from Mortal Kombat. And Bart, Resident Evil 4 is here as well. Yeah, this is the most, like, 2000s thing.
Sailor Moon?
Okay, we got Lara Croft, too. The Simpsons, but it's the Sopranos. The Simp-Pranos, if you will. Why is the name of this screensaver a vast antivirus? Oh, I think it's doing an antivirus during the screensaver. Let's do Counter-Strike 2D. This I played too. This was pretty good. Of course everyone has an op. A fucking course. Okay, I'm gonna be honest, this just makes me want to play real Counter-Strike. Ow. I think now we're gonna run an emulator, a virtual machine inside of a virtual machine. If Joey is around, sorry for stealing your bit. What the fuck? Okay, so now we are running a virtual machine inside of a virtual machine, and I don't really know why. Program Manager Games. Oh god, how do you go up one directory? About game... no. Oh, here they are! Oh shit, wow, there's a lot of them! Win Elvis in Space? Been over 15 days, you need to register. You're not registered. A 12-minute demo of Win Elvis in Space started. Please register. Oh god, what am I gonna do with only 12 minutes of Win Elvis in Space? I need more than 12 minutes. Elvis is definitely still alive. He didn't fake his own death, nor was he drugged by a jealous husband whose wife is a walking, talking Priscilla wannabe doll. Elvis did not overdose on little green pills either. He was taken by aliens. Don't get your pelvis in an uproar. Oh my god. The hell is all this? For an Elvis game? There's not a chance on any Earth that I'd be able to figure that out, so don't worry about it. It's probably gonna be the same for this version of Star Trek. Yep, as I expected. I like how it's just a Windows version, literally a Windows version of Star Trek. Not really any attempt was made to hide the fact that this was a Windows 3.1 game. Win Fight? Have fun with Win Fight. The world's smallest cowboy appears. You're slow and dead. Castle of the Winds. I like that it's just a bodybuilder with a sword. Back in my day, we had real games. Jewel Thief? You could check out Jewel Thief and then maybe a couple more and then just leave it there. Best gaming. Best gaming! Jewel Thief! I love the Jewel Thief game! I grew up, I played this game. I use the mouse to move around. I use this game, I play this game. I love this game, I use this game. Windows 3.1. The hell? Whoa. We just found some pretty non-standard Simpsons. There's Trab and Asil. 1992. It's just tic-tac-toe. Chat, I'm not kidding when I say emulating Windows 3.1 in Windows XP Colossus Edition has, like, fucked my mouse. What is Trab and Asil backwards? It's your band, chat member. How dare you? It's Bart and Lisa, god damn it. Colossus version doesn't seem too bad. It's definitely usable. Comes with some games worth checking out. Oh, there's actually games here, too. Hang on. We've got, Bejewel. Wow, there's a lot of stuff. Jesus. Yodam 3D. I think it's a virus. Is Yodam 3D a virus? Peggle? Oh yeah, Peggle. Peggle is a fine video game. Lucky Bounce. What was the there's a little goblin fella. Oh wait, no, that was Dungeon Crawler. Never mind. Because there's Peglin, which was a roguelite Peggle-esque goblin attack game. Fight. You should fight things. See, I knew this would be a problem if I played Peggle. Chat, I would get addicted. More than 5 times, though, you die. And you go to hell before you die. That's the worst part. $50,000 points! Holy shit. Yeah, Peggle is the shit. You could just, like, you just drop the ball, and then you want to drop the ball again, and then you drop more ball, and then you drop the ball again. Literally. It's probably 1,000 updates. Maybe this game's been updated for 20 years straight, who knows? Phrygistan, like Frigid-istan? Oh god. Cold land. This was a free Xbox 360 demo. Get ready. Why does this font look familiar? It's a very, very familiar typeface. Oh, The Room. Thank you. Yes, Tommy Wiseau's incredible, like his masterpiece, The Room.
Welcome to Bejeweled 2.
The Untamed, original Bejeweled.
Go.
Why is it? It's really epic. Go. Your name, John Bejeweled. The fate of the world is in your hands, soldier. I'm surprised they never made a Bejeweled movie. I guess they did, that one with Adam Sandler, but aside from that, there's money to be made. My brain does not work. Oh. Anyway, my brain does not work, and I do not see patterns that allow me to play Bejeweled efficiently. Oh, thank you, game. The game itself was like just telling me, like, listen, dude, it's getting kind of sad. You should just do this. There's anti-frustration mechanics in place, chat. Don't worry, the game will take care of me. Well, I stopped having fun. Purple? What's Purple Place again? What is Purple Place? Windows Vista pack-in game. Yahoo Messenger was still happening, I guess, around this time. Alrighty, let's stop here. Thank you, Yuski, for putting this together. But yeah, I mean, there's definitely interesting stuff. For me, the most interesting stuff are the screensavers, the weird themes, and also the games. That's why I'm doing this. I like fooling around and finding random things that I wouldn't have noticed otherwise. Some stuff I played when I was younger. Some tools that I had, like Nero, to burn CDs. But anyway, yeah, that's pretty cool. GIMP. That is the Photoshop alternative. I've used that for a little while at times. It was good in a pinch.